Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So let's take a look at the price action, and we have a deep red sell-off candle here. Are we going to continue go lower? What's the scene with this thing? Are we still in the bullish structure? Do we still have some confidence that we can still stay bullish here, or today's sell-off also marks us a sign that sellers are still present? So let's take a look at all of that in this video. But before that, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So we had a good run up today, though. We did go as high as $190 almost, just shy of that. And then we sold off, right? There was a time we did rebound back up, but then by the time market has closed now, we closed a little, well, quite low today again. And not just Tesla, guys. We have had like a sell-off. You can see semiconductors are quite red today, and so is QQQ. Like if I just show you QQQ real quick, but QQQ is still in the bullish structure though. I'll touch base on this in another video that I'll do on QQQ and SPY with tech stocks today. But speaking of Tesla, are we in the bullish structure or not? Well, so let's talk about that. So far on daily interval, we are above 20 days moving average. We are above 50 days moving average. And we still technically have a higher pivot. Okay. So technically we have been bullish, right? And take partial profits in the extension. So today was a long day, right? A bullish day. Take profits in the extension. When you start to see sell-off, I'll talk about in lower time frames in just a second. Take partial profits out as if we break those levels. And for today, it was two levels that when we started to break, like 186 and 86 cents and also 184 and 35 cents. That was the time that, okay, things are not going to close higher today. Now, as I said, technically we are still in the bullish structure, higher lows. But is this bullish structure strong enough that it can hold itself going in tomorrow? So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about things over there. So the things are not looking good right now on Tesla as for where the structure is. So you can see we are selling off now again at that $190 level. This was the previous supply zones, right? Previous supply zones. Today again a supply zone. So definitely a big seller is sitting at 190, because you can see in the pre-market as well, when we gapped up a couple of days ago, we sold off, right? So this shows us that there is a big seller sitting here that wants to sell at this 190, and price, as it's going up and up, it's being sold off up over there. There's a big seller selling here for sure. Now, what we have to look for intraday. Now, as I said, this was another level. Once we start to lose this again, 184 and 24 cents, the structural weakness was already coming on this. Intraday also, as in couple of last days I have talked about, as long as we continue to hold above 200 hours moving average, continue to hold above $180 range, we intraday can continue higher. And also today, that's what I was expecting, that intraday we can still continue higher as long as we stay above this level of 182 and 63 cents. We got that move. As if now, well, if we could have stayed above somewhere here, that would have been good for tomorrow as well. However, we closed weak enough. Now intraday, technically Tesla, as long as it's not getting above 184 and 26 cents, intraday this may continue lower, at least, well, tomorrow as well, if we are staying below 184 and 26 cents. So any rebounds, as long as we don't break above 184 and 26 cents, are just a short play going in tomorrow, because we technically today have already a lower pivot, and intraday play that we were having a little bit, we have lost a pivot in that. Intraday only. On the overall structure though, guys, I would still say that structure on Tesla is overall still bullish, but as if for intraday trading, as what you have to do, 184 and 28 cents above is only where the confidence is to the upside from where the price is right now. Now, $180 and 200 hours moving average, or this blue box down here, as long as Tesla is above that structure, that's where you can see if another support comes, and that if Tesla starts falling and you end up playing short play, I would suggest take partial profits out in this blue box. But if yes, we have a rebound, that has to be higher, and then you are seeing that where that rebound would have a next pivot. So let's say Tesla continues lower into the rebounds, it sells off, and then you have to see where was the next pivot. In most likely case, it will be 182. So if Tesla comes down to 180, rebounds, and then get above 182, then we can expect again continuation to the upside. But in the short term, which is for tomorrow intraday, as long as we stay below 184 and 23 cents now, that's a pivot. The way it continues to reject, it can continue lower, and if we get above that intraday, that can continue higher then. Now, above 184 in that level, this pretty much 184 and 32 cents or 26 cents almost. Now, and as on the overall structure, yeah, it all comes down to this, I would say $180 area. If we lose this, that's a problem. Otherwise, yeah, we still have a chance that we can still keep the structure overall bullish and can continue our way higher. Yeah, but I'm seeing there's a seller sitting here, up here 190, because every time it's being sold off, even in the past. So just keep that in mind as well, okay? So that's Tesla, guys. So yeah, QQ and SPY I'll show you with the tech stocks later today, but just for the sake of this video, let's just quickly take a look. SPY can give us some intraday cool-offs, but overall can continue to give us overall cool-offs, but overall structure on this technically is still bullish. Pullback can continue all the way to 20 days moving average, intradays pullbacks. And yeah, 544 is the area of any rebound tomorrow. If it rejects here, that just can continue lower. QQQ, again, a sell-off on this as well, but yes, it can continue lower, as we have been talking about. If we continue to lose these levels, we can come down to 20 days moving average, but then you are seeing if price action holds there, because that only until the price structure is going to go into the pullback. So intraday shorts can only be traded until then more comfortably. And then, but technically overall structure on this is not bearish fully. But yeah, that will be it. Like tomorrow, if we lose 200 hours moving average, you can expect another leg down. And otherwise, yeah, let's see if this tries to hold itself at 200 hours moving average or not. That would be another one. But yeah, otherwise, a little bit more, much more pullback is a possibility. But overall structure until 20 days moving average is just a pullback, and then we'll see if we continue higher. So structure hasn't changed on QQ. The case is different with NVIDIA though, but NVIDIA I'll be talking about later as well today in a complete different video that I'll be doing in the evening, so we'll talk about it there. All right, that's it for this video, guys, Tesla, and if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.